So you want to clean your gear to the NFPA standard. What does that look like? Hi, I'm Jason. I'm the General Manager for Turnout Express, and today we want to talk about how to clean your gear to the NFPA standard. So you can clean your gear in-house. If you want to be NFPA verified, that's a separate step. But just know that you should have a machine that's capable of being programmed. Your temperature can't exceed 105 degrees Fahrenheit, and you can't have a rotational value of greater than 100 Gs. So you're going to want to reference your owner's manual for your extractor to understand that. Likewise, when you go to dry your gear, you cannot have an ambient temperature of greater than 105 degrees Fahrenheit. It's very important. For your detergent, you should know that you need a detergent that falls between 6.5 and 10.5 on the pH scale. It has to be made specifically for the task of cleaning your PPE. And it can't be harsh or abrasive on the material. So to that end, we've actually created our own product because we couldn't find anything on the market that was satisfactory to us. We actually took the NFPA standard and contracted with a chemical engineer, and we came up with Dragon Soap. Currently, we use Dragon Soap in-house. It is the best and most sophisticated formula. It's also available now on a retail basis. So you can contact us here at Turnout Express or use one of our distributors nationwide.